I worked outside selling computers. So I used to take a bag, wear a tie, go to Nariman Point, office to office, sell computers like Rocket Singh maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, so you've done door-to-door sales.
It's called cold calling. And that's if you've done cold calling in your life, you can do anything in your life.
You're the OG salesman. Like that is the core skill set that people talk about.
Absolutely, you know. I'm going to offices, ठक knock करने कौन है सर कंप्यूटर लोगों को पता नहीं होता था कंप्यूटर क्या है. So you know, sometimes you just get empty because just people want to hear what a computer can help them in their office, you know.
That's right.
And I remember like when I worked in the company, boss said, go to Nariman Point. My area was Nariman Point and Fort. So area wise divide करते थे, Bombay को divide करते थे. Somebody you, so they put me in Nariman Point Fort area. बोलता था जाओ Nariman Point, you see there are all buildings आते हैं. तुलसियानी, BK Chamber 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ये सब Express Tower. I think take the lift, go on the top, okay. फिर वहाँ से उतरना, you know, go one by one. हर एक ऑफिस में जाके कार्ड देना, try to sell. It's cold calling, like absolutely whether they want a computer or not. Very very difficult. And और तब क्या होता था if go in the morning at 10 o'clock, तुम्हारे बाजू में सब सेल्समैन खड़े हैं. कोई Xerox मशीन बेच रहा है, कोई मोजे बेच रहा है.
This is the era of door-to-door salesman.
हाँ, door-to-door salesman. I think अभी भी होता होगा. I don't know अभी होता है क्या नहीं. But तब तो ऐसा था. So in the lift you go, there's some 6 guys, and all sort of selling something or the other. कोई मोजे बेच रहा है, कोई वो बैग में लेके अलग-अलग टाइप के पेन्स बेचते थे.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, it's a fucking pre-liberalization.
Some guy used to sell supari. You know, these guys come, they have a full like a bag, attache or अलग-अलग supari. So, and because a lot of these businessmen are Gujaratis, Marwadis in these companies, they like to purchase suparis. So you are actually competing with all these guys. So I remember telling my boss once, यार ये सब सुबह को ऊपर जाते हैं, ऊपर से चल के आते हैं, you know. So I forget that I'm a young guy. मैं first floor पे चल के जाऊँगा and I'll walk up एक-एक करके, and so I'll beat the traffic. You tell your boss, you'll get so frustrated, you reach on top and you'll jump from the top floor. मत कर जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो कर, you know.
So how were you perceived by these guys? Like क्योंकि whatever interviews I've seen of people who are now tech giants and whatnot, they all say that it was either cold calling or door-to-door sales where they learned how to sell themselves and also handle rejection. आप जा रहे हो, आपके पास तो चलो बढ़िया असला है, कोई तो सुपारी बेच रहा है. So like in comparison of like order value.
Honestly, सुपारी वाला should sell more than us because it's a small actor.
Right. So maybe I'm wrong. But like how were you perceived? So you knock on to say, you know, like
wearing a tie. Just imagine me wearing a white shirt, like a black pant, like a proper tie. So it's a tie पहन के जाना because when you're wearing a tie, you come from a professional company. You know.
It's that era where ties are like status.
Tie पहन के, you know, go and knock on the door. You have to somehow beat the guard or the receptionist. Okay, can I meet the IT person? We don't have an IT person. Can I meet the admin guy? What is it for? You know, we want to.
हाथ में कुछ है आपके?
Bag है, briefcase है जिसके अंदर brochures है computers के, you know. So then she will say, no, not. Have you come with appointment? No appointment. Okay, come with appointment. Okay, madam, can you give me the card? Who should I meet? फिर उसका नंबर लिख लो. फिर जाके शाम को ऑफिस में बैठ के you make a report क्या ये कंपनी. Then next day follow up क्या. I come to office sir, Mr. Deshpande or Dr. Deshpande. Yeah, what is it? I said I come to office. Yesterday I met your receptionist. She said, no, we are not looking at company. We no need of computer. So madam, sir, at least can I come and try? Why you don't require? How it can help you in your work? You know. And उसके साथ सब मतलब accounting Tata's का एक package आता था EX. It was accounting system. So you used to also sell that. It's just not the hardware. Hardware लेके क्या करेगा? So you have to sell like a solution. Word processing होते थे. WordStar होता था. So WordStar, people Google it in the comments. WordStar was the OG.
The yellow logo?
I don't know. No, it was the original Word document. जो MS Word है, which we call WordStar.